Hi, Mystery. What's the matter?
I'm sad because I have run out of toys to sell. The Everything Emporium is toyless.
Maybe we could build some toys for you.
I have a special toy-making machine we can use.
We'll be right back with some toys, Mystery. Let's go! What kind of toy do you want to create? A vehicle, stuffy, or a toy house? Choose a toy to create. Vehicle. Let's make Mystery another toy vehicle. You can also make your own toy here. Mr. E wants the Bumpy Rider. This toy vehicle must have a purple body, wheels powered by a battery, and big wheels to get over a bumpy road. Tap the check mark when you're ready to create.
Let's start with this part of the toy. Choose the body of the vehicle.
Good one.
Add battery power to make it light up.
Make more changes to the toy, or tap the check mark when you're done.
Paint it purple. Make it bigger. Thumbs up! Let's choose the next part of the toy. Choose the wheels.
Yeah!
Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Add battery power to make it move. You are working it out. Time to choose the last part of the toy. Choose an accessory.
Great pick.
Paint it orange. Make it bigger.
When this toy has everything Mystery asked for, tap the arrow button to see the toy-making machine build this toy. Building time.
Building the body. Add battery power to make it light up. Paint it purple. Make it bigger. Building the wheels. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. Add battery power to make it move. Building the accessory. Paint it orange. Make it bigger.
Yay! Look at our toy!
It's time to test the toy. What do you and your grown-up think will happen?
Tap the green play button when everyone's ready to start the test.
Does this toy vehicle have a purple body?
Yes!
Does this toy vehicle have wheels powered by a battery?
Yes!
Does this toy vehicle have big enough wheels to get over a bumpy road?
Yes! Woohoo! This toy has everything Mystery asked for.
Great work creating the toy I asked for.